Hi guys, I was going to do a video for you today, but you hear Owie, there's some major issues going on in our house. Let me show you. I went to move my stuff away from the wall here and noticed dry rot on the baseboard and on some of the, and you can tell, moisture back there. They found a couple good leaks up, holes up on the roof that has caused this leaking problem. But that's not my only problem. My illness is got a lot, mold has a lot to do with my illness. And let me grab my door number one. I used to have my bed up against this wall, and I recently moved the bed to this side and noticed down at the bottom, black mold. He's had to rip everything out. Wood is all eaten up from it. It's all in the carpet. But my neighbor gave me an air purifier, so I've got that. He's already sprayed it with this special cleaning stuff for black mold. That's why I have the mask on. I'm highly allergic to mold. And my allergy serum just got finished yesterday. So I'm supposed to go today. I'm supposed to go today for allergy shots, to start my allergy shots. And I can't go. He's having a fit. So you're just going to have to hold off, buddy. So I'm supposed to go today to get my first allergy shot. I've already had, I don't know how many different asthma attacks. I've had a coughing fit. A lot's been going on. I had to leave the house for a while. That's when my neighbor gave me her air purifier to put in that bedroom. So it's in there, doors shut, hoping that the smell's gone by the time I have to go to bed. Obi's not happy. He's hiding in the office. I've got him blocked in there so he can't come out. He's not happy. That's what we're dealing with here at our house. And so I'm waiting for the guys. They had to go pick up stuff to fix the roof. And Obi and I ran to the store real quick, got back. We got back here before they are. And I'm getting my office together. You remember how I used to have ears all around my walls? Well, I decided not to do that. I have 4 frames up, and I put 4 pairs of ears. 2 there and 2 over there. So I can change them out. So if I feel like being Small World, I can put Small World up. And of course, this was a wall of mirrors, and I thought, what am I going to do with this wall? Command strips, boom, boom, boom. Everything's up there from the 30th anniversary of Hollywood Studios. There's my 50th Magic Kingdom. Pass holder from Flower and Garden. So I just have a little bit of everything on the walls. I've got some pictures of attractions of some of the rides that we were on. And I'm setting up my, oh, you wait till you see Boo's little area with his pop figures. He got into pop figures. So we don't have a whole lot of them, but we've got quite a bit. And we've got a little thing set up in his room. And once his room's all finished being set up, I'll show you. Once mine's finished being set up, I will show you everything. It's just, I just wanted to touch base today to let you guys know, not really doing much. I was going to do some cooking. I was going to do some cooking stuff, but I'm not going to. All I can do is sit here, wait for the internet to come back on so I can watch my Judge Judy at 3 o'clock. So yeah, I'm waiting for internet to pop back on. Had to go back there and reset the box. I did a little filming yesterday at Epcot. I did try like the fry basket, the fry flight, and yes, restart now. Sorry, guys. I was going to put it with the video footage that I had from when I went from the beginning of Food and Wine. but I can't find it. I can't find my video from it. I know Obi and I went, we really didn't do much. I took pictures and showed you some of the things that they have up for the festival, but I can't find it. So I'm going to add my yesterday's video into today's video of me doing nothing much but sitting here. Just going to have fun sitting here. But I have some new cooking ideas coming up and some other things to do. So I think I need to start having more fun with this. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I think it's connected because it even has the time up there. Yeah. So I'm just going to pop that video footage in from yesterday, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I'm back at Epcot, guys. I have a little bit of film from the first day of the food and wine, but not too much because I didn't stay that long that day. It was very hot, and I had Obi with me. So I am at the fry basket now, and I'm about to get the fry flight, which has sea salt and malt vinegar fries, a barbecue bacon fries with a smoked aioli, and a sweet potato casserole fries. Oh, with candied pecans, toasted marshmallow cream, and caramel whiskey. Oh, caramel whiskey. Why not? Have some fun. Alright, it's about to rain here, so we're hiding in between the Creation Shop and Connections Cafe. There's Connections Cafe. And we're just sitting here waiting on two of our friends that watch us, Becky and Kevin Stacy. They are also our patrons. So we're going to see them for a little bit. We were going to ride Guardians with them, but our time keeps getting pushed back farther and farther, and I'm not going to make it till 4 o'clock here. After yesterday I had radio frequencies done on my lumbar left side between my 3 and 4, and then between my 5 and S1. So right above my butt cracking up. So the radio frequency was yesterday, and I'm sitting on my scooter. Why didn't you guys tell me he was doing that? See? He's so bad. So it's just going to be a short day for us today, and I was probably pushing my luck to try to go on Guardians, but it was so much fun, I would do it again. All right, well, we found our friends, and I had to look for Figment, and wait till you see what I'm talking about.
All Figment all the time.
All Figment. He's a party pooper. He doesn't have anything purple or Figment. Nope. This is Kevin, and this is Becky. Hi. And oh, I didn't show you. She got me this button. She's the one I waited in line 6 hours for. She asked me to get her. She was the first one to ask me for a Figment bucket. I said, sure, I'll go. 6 hours later, I had 2 of them. 2. Go figure that one. So she loves me so much that she had to bring me this button, and I love it. So I'm wearing it. Oh, I know you appreciate it.
I appreciate it so much.
I know how much you're a Figment fan. For the last few years, I've known how much you were a Figment fan. So when it came out, I thought of you, and when you said, could you? Yes, I can.
Oh,
see, that's what's good about me, is I have only a few people I shop for, so when they ask, yep, I'm doing it. Yay. I'll do it. It also helps me to get out of the house.
Yeah.
And I had my scooter, so 6 hours really was not bad at all.
Yeah, that's what the kids are like, we're tired. I'm like, let's go all day. We're good.
Yeah. As long as I can sit there, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm fine.
And I met a lot of new friends.
There you go.
So,
yeah.
I was on somebody's video.
We saw you on
Tattoo Dad, no, Disney Tattoo Dad, or
and Streaming the Magic.
Okay.
You were in line as he like ran past everybody.
Okay. Yeah. So I was there.
In a lot of videos.
I must be popular.
There you go.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Absolutely.
And hit that bell so you get notified, and give me a thumbs up. Right? These
thumbs up.
These people love me, and they give me thumbs up all the time.
Every time.
Kevin doesn't, just Becky. Kevin just bothers me all the time, you know? Texting me all the time. What about this? What about that? No, I'm joking. You don't bother me. It's perfectly fine.
That's just what he does.
Yes, yes. All right, we have left Epcot and we're heading home. And it's raining, lightning, we're seeing thundering. And I just happened to be looking out the window and I seen the cows. And I'm like, And so I got wondering about cows, because there were some that were like high up to here in water. And you know, when the lightning strikes, you know, it can kill people, it can kill cows too, right? So I'm like, why are they in the water? Well, I know why they're in the water. They don't know any better. But, so I Googled that. And in Florida, each year, lightning strikes the United States, or not in Florida. Each year, lightning strikes the United States on an average of over 20 million times. That's in a year. And Florida sees 70 to 100 thunderstorm days a year. So that results in the most lightning strikes here. And cattle are no exceptions to it at all. There are more than 800,000 heads of cattle in the Sunshine State. And let me see, Florida is ranked 13th in the nation, and it's over $546 million industry, and cattle do get hit. Cattle sometimes can have obvious scorch marks or burns on them that will tell them that they've been hit by lightning. But there's other signs too, with bloating and, well, the scorch marks, the trees, bloating of the animal, and even ocular changes. So there was in July 1981 in July 1981, Vince, Alabama, when 50 cattle were killed when lightning struck a tree and spread along the ground, taking down each 800-pound animal. Other signs include extreme bloating and take the bloating part out again.
I'm a little bloated, I say, baby.
So there was some people that were just killed here. They were standing underneath the tree, and the lightning hit the tree, went down. No, I'm sorry. The lightning hit a light pole, and when it went and hit the ground, it spread out on the ground. So these people that were hiding underneath the tree, thinking that they're going to be protected from the thunderstorm, from the lightning, they all died. Sad story. So they say not even being underneath the tree. The only thing that you can really do if you see lightning is to go in the house. See thunder, you better under. No. Oh, our news guy has it. If you hear thunder, it's time to go in or something. There's some catchy tune that they use.
It's time to run.
Yeah, it's time to run, all right.
I'm running down the street and stuff. You ain't gonna find me. You gonna be just right. Boom, like that. And I'm gonna run around the corner like, zoom, like that. And I'll be like, don't get me. No.
Boo, I'm still filming. I'm so glad I didn't hit stop. So, the story for today, the lesson we learned, lightning ain't no joke. You thought I was going to come up with something a little bit more catchier, huh? No. Lightning is no joke, folks. Go in the house. If you hear thunder, it's time to runder.
Yeah, that's it. Just run there.
No, that's not, but
Okay.
it sounds good. When it thunders, you better runder. Run to the house, folks. Run to the house. So today was just a little fun day out for a little bit. Couldn't do too much today, but I wanted to get out to meet up with Becky and Kevin, Stacy, and their lovely family that came with them. I'm tired now. So it is 5 o'clock. It is time to go home. And you're gonna copyright me. Again, folks. He thinks I'm all done talking.
You expect when the Bowie's on, man? You
Oh yeah, Bowie's on. Okay, I gotta better let him dance, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and you can find me on Facebook and Instagram also. We're Yammi's Adventures on both of them. If you're new here, hi, welcome. And if you're not new, hi, welcome, or hi, miss you guys. Right? Yeah.
Oh, hey, how y'all doing?
Yeah, hey, what's up, girl?
I talked to you.
Yo, bro.
Hey.
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Okay, so.
What it is.
It is what it is, okay? This is not how we normally are, but we're just having fun today. But if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.